I want to talk a little bit about just writing down your task and how important it is. Well, at least to me, right? So I'm a very visual person. I have to see it for it to actually register in my head. My productivity level drops when this exact board is empty. And I'm just shooting this video because I've just caught myself. I haven't been producing as much as I could have. It's because this thing is empty, and because this is my bedroom, all right? I wake up, I sleep over there. Usually, I would look at this and then I would try to clear off the bullet points that I've written in here. I'm gonna just write it down with you guys, what I need to be doing. And it's just real little things, right? That like you think it's unimportant, but then like it actually makes a big difference. So something that I have to do is, let's just say, creating content is a part of my workflow. And last week I went out to the city and I just biked around with my GoPro, and I had a lot of footage basically, and I need to edit the footage, and it just totally slipped my mind, right? Because it's, as a content creator, you gotta write the content, and you gotta film it, and you gotta edit it, and you gotta schedule it, and then you have to like market it, and it's basically a whole lot of things. So I forget sometimes, so I'm going to write, first of all, I'll write the date. Today's December 17th, and we're just gonna do edit, go, just CapCut, because I use CapCut, and what I realized is editing videos in today is just so much easier than when I first started learning how to edit videos with like Camtasia and Premiere Pro, right? CapCut, you guys are doing a great job over there, and it's very easy to do it. I have to fix my sales funnel. That's right. It's just the little things. So I wrote fix privacy policy on my opt-in page, and some of you watching this might not know what's an opt-in page, but basically it's a part of my sales funnel, right? It's because whenever you're selling a digital product online, you're going to need a website. Better yet, you will need a funnel. An opt-in page is a part of my funnel, and then I have to worry about the privacy policy. I know most of you guys don't care about privacy policy or even read that thing, but as a business owner, we still need to keep in account of that page, even though I know like 9 out of 10 of you guys don't even read it. But you know, it's to save myself out of trouble. I have this little board over here. I forgot what's the board called, but you guys know what it is, right? It's the same board that you see in all schools. And like if I have any documents, I just pin it here. Pin it here, and so I remember it. That's right. TikTok shop. Like when I just start writing things down, like more ideas just solidifies in my head. And I remember I gotta do this and do that and do that. And like the fun part about this thing is it's never ending. Even if I clear this whole list, next week I will have another whole list of doing. I guess that is just the price of entrepreneurship, right? I don't know. Recently, I just got approved for the TikTok shop, and that is so good. First of all, I'm late to the party, right? I didn't even know about this TikTok shop thing until like last month. I was looking at YouTube videos, and it was like these videos were already uploaded like 7-8 months ago, so I'm already late to the party. Now I'm playing catch up. So this is for Belcopia, and then what about for me? Right, there you go. I had a bar video that I've been pushing to the side for so long. It's about time I have to finish it. Honestly, I think I'll probably finish this one first before any of the other 3 on top. Bar video 2. It's basically the part 2 of if so you want to be a bartender, because apparently you guys really love that video. You get the idea, right? I don't want to make this video too long because your time is valuable. Bottom line is, if you guys don't already have a whiteboard, I highly recommend you get a whiteboard, as it's really helped me. It helps me, right? So most of us have all of these ideas that's just stuck in our head, but you know, nothing is real until you bring it to our immediate reality. And the best way to do that is to write things down. That's how things become real, right? Since I started going entrepreneurial at 21, I'm 27 now, so this thing has been like help me keep me grounded for 6 years. When I catch this thing being empty, I'll just, try to get back on track. So yeah, get yourself a whiteboard. I'll link one down below on the description. It's going to be an Amazon link, and yes, it's going to be a referral link. So if you guys want to help me out, give me a few bucks, buy me coffee, hey, so be it. Kudos to you, and I will continue filling this board out and then tackling these tasks. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.